The Liril commercial that changed advertising in India. The Indian advertising industry is one of the biggest industries in the world. In the year 1974, a single commercial revolutionized the Indian advertising landscape. This was the year the country was introduced to the Liril advertisement, featuring the radiant Air India stewardess, Karen Lunel. An image of a bikini-clad Karen reveling in the beauty of nature under a waterfall forever altered the way Indians interacted with advertising. This iconic commercial was crafted at the Pambar Falls in Kodaikanal under the creative helm of the Lintas advertising agency. The genius behind the campaign was none other than Alyque Padamsee, a man of many talents, including a memorable portrayal of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Richard Attenborough's Oscar-winning spectacle, Gandhi. The concept of the Liril commercial was kindled by a profound understanding of the targeted female consumers. A revealing consumer survey highlighted that the solitary time an Indian housewife had to herself was during her bath. The commercial ingeniously tapped into this insight, transforming the mundane routine of bathing into an escapist fantasy. The monotony of the bathroom was replaced by the liberating openness of a waterfall, a place where women could revel in their me time, free from prying eyes. The Liril commercial was not only a masterstroke in storytelling, but it also drove product sales to unprecedented heights. The popularity of the ad was so immense that it became a legacy, a stepping stone for many aspiring Bollywood actresses, such as Preity Zinta, Pooja Batra, and Deepika Padukone. Despite the commercial's refreshing appearance, the filming process was fraught with challenges. It was shot in the bitter cold of winter, with temperatures in Kodaikanal plummeting to 5 degrees Celsius. Karen had to warm herself with shots of brandy between takes, an unexpected necessity in the chilly hill station of South India. This groundbreaking ad laid the foundation for the electronic advertising industry, which reached its zenith in the 1990s. This period witnessed the creation of iconic advertisements like the Fevicol ad by Padma Shri awardee Piyush Pandey, the Pepsi Ye Dil Mange More campaign, and the Cadbury Dairy Milk's Asli Swad Zindagi Ka, sung by the Grammy-winning Padma Shri awardee Shankar Mahadevan. In conclusion, the Liril commercial of 1974 was a pivotal moment in the history of Indian advertising. It utilized a deep understanding of female consumers to create a narrative that was both engaging and relatable. The ad's success not only boosted product sales, but also set a new standard for advertising, paving the way for a new era of creative and impactful commercials. The legacy of the Liril commercial continues to resonate in the Indian advertising industry, a testament to its timeless appeal and enduring impact. Thank you for watching Arnon Media.